Most people get this wrong. They think all cloud storage services are the same, but pCloud offers unique features like lifetime plans, high security, and cross-device sync. Today, I'll share my honest review based on real usage. pCloud is a cloud storage platform that allows you to store files securely and access them from any device. One thing that immediately stood out is the interface. It's clean, intuitive, and makes uploading or sharing files simple. You can create folders, organize files, and even generate download links for sharing. Security is a big focus. pCloud offers client-side encryption as an optional add-on, which means only you can access your encrypted files. I tested this feature, and it works seamlessly without slowing down uploads or downloads. Another standout feature is device syncing. You can sync files across multiple devices automatically, including desktops, laptops, and smartphones. I used it to sync work documents and everything updated in real time without conflicts. pCloud also offers lifetime plans, which is unusual for cloud storage. Instead of paying a monthly subscription forever, you can pay once for permanent access, ideal for long-term storage. The downside, encryption costs extra, and the free plan has limited storage. Also, very large uploads may take longer depending on your internet speed. In conclusion, pCloud is an excellent choice if you want secure, flexible, and long-term cloud storage. It's especially useful for professionals, creatives, or anyone needing reliable access to files across devices. Subscribe for more honest reviews of productivity and storage solutions to keep your digital life organized and secure.